This video details a state trooper's pursuit of a Toyota RAV4, which concluded with a precision immobilization technique, or PIT maneuver, at speeds reaching 100 miles per hour.
Yep. Take the side. Looks like a fish control. TVI, Crystal Valley.
Show me your hands! I can't see that side. Show me, everyone put your hands out! Everyone put your hands out! Felony stop, stagecoach for Crystal Valley, and multiple walking, this kind of stuff. Everyone keep your hands out, do you hear me? Driver! I can't see on that other side.
Yeah, I've got...
Hey, just everyone hold what you got, all right? Just obey my directions, we'll be okay, do you understand?
Front seat passenger, keep both hands out the window. Put both your hands out the window. Yeah, at least occupied times 3.
Everyone keep your hands out that window! Hey bro, I can't see on that side. I'm gonna come back to your car. I'm gonna go over here, Medford.
All right.
I'm gonna call him out. Driver! Open the door from the outside! Step out with your hands up! Face away from me! Face away from me! Don't walk towards me! Walk back to the side of my boys!
I got you.
Walk back to the side of my boys! Drop what's in your hand right now!
Look at my wallet with my...
Walk back! Walk back here! Don't face around! Come over here now!
Hey, keep both hands out the window.
Hey, why like being handcuffed?
Shut up!
Shut up. Are you state trooper? Man, come on, man. I'm the driver. Why you... My identification is right there in my... Man, grab my wallet with my identification. Look.
Hey, shootmate, there's 3 more in the car.
Where y'all want me in? Y'all want me to ground on my face?
No, not yet.
Y'all want me to ground on my face?
Okay, well maybe hang out with better people then. Shut up and listen. Yes.
What is y'all doing? What is y'all doing? I get trouble around
Hey,
y'all.
back passenger. Hey, hold on. Hey, y'all get one out? Medford.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all get one out?
Hey, I got it.
Back passenger.
Front seat passenger, step out of the car. With your hands up. Stop. Turn around. Walk back towards me. Walk back. Walk back. Walk back. Walk back. Walk back. Stop. Step to your left. Step to your left. Stop. Go down on your knees. Keep your hands up. Cross your ankles.
What's going on?
This is his hand. Keep that other hand up.
Okay, can you? Why am I?
This is his hand.
Can you explain to me what I'm doing, please?
Step up. Stand up.
Can you tell me
We'll
what
tell you in just a minute. We'll tell you in just a minute.
Can I put my hands up?
There's one more. There's one more in the car.
Excuse me.
Oh, hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, hey.
Excuse me.
What? Hang on just a minute.
I'm trying to put my
Hey,
hands
shootmate, that should be all of them. Okay, is there one more? All right.
Excuse me, can I put
Hey, step back here.
I'm trying to put my pants up, sir.
Okay, you can put your pants up and walk at the same time.
Calm down, brother, please. Before they try to do something to you, bro. All right, I'm ready to do something.
Can you tell me why I'm getting detained, sir?
We'll come talk to you in just a minute, okay?
Okay.
Sitting there for me.
Ouch.
What is going on?
we have another seat? Just our car. They shoot me.
Lay down for Grant on your back. On the ground, down for Grant on your back. They shoot. Go ahead and have a seat for me. Just hang out for me, okay? All right, we're gonna go from this side. Y'all just hold what you got.
Main channel no longer restricted. Main channel no longer restricted.
Okay, so behind, he count behind us go about 100.